Hey, RADKEY needs our help. What?
Are they okay?
Their record No Strange Cats is awesome and it's finally ready for release on vinyl. But they need us fans to pitch in now so they can get it to wax.
Yeah, but what color is it gonna be?
I hope it's tuna. No Strange Cats will be pressed in yellow, translucent, 150-gram vinyl, like a cat's eye.
What songs are on the record?
Sounds like Paul.
Watching wherever we go, masters of
Spiders. Juness. Rock and Roll Homeschool.
I wanna go to school, make friends, I'm gonna be cold.
St. Elwood.
I'm bored right out of my mind.
Basement.
You can leave me alone in the basement.
And Not Smart.
Wow, all my favorites. How many copies they doing?
It's limited to just 500 copies for this first pressing.
Alrighty, but where do I get mine? I just hate waiting.
All records will ship early to mid-June.
I just want to stream mine.
But you can get your picture on the cover.
Hey, I got my pic on the poster insert. That's awesome. Will the band sign my copy?
Yeah, we'll sign it. And go for the grab bag and you're in for a real surprise.
Man, I've loved this band forever, especially Saul. And what have they been up to?